When it comes to safeguarding your home, one of the most important aspects to consider is the quality of your doors and their installation. In Palm Coast, a growing community known for its coastal charm and family-friendly atmosphere, door installation plays a critical role in maintaining the security and overall safety of your home. Whether you're building a new home, upgrading your current residence, or simply replacing an old door, it's essential to understand the significant impact that door installation can have on your home's security. The importance of quality doors for home security. Your home's doors act as the first line of defense against break-ins and intruders. In Palm Coast, where both new constructions and established neighborhoods are expanding, ensuring that your home has sturdy, secure doors is essential. The front door, in particular, serves as the main point of entry into your home, making it a prime target for burglars. If your door is made from cheap materials or doesn't fit securely within its frame, it can be easily bypassed, leaving your home vulnerable. Investing in high-quality materials such as solid wood, steel, or fiberglass is a smart choice. These materials offer enhanced durability and resistance to forced entry, compared to older or weaker doors. Additionally, doors with reinforced frames and deadbolt locks provide extra protection, helping to prevent unauthorized access. Professional door installation in Palm Coast. While selecting the right door is important, the installation process is just as crucial. Poorly installed doors can compromise your security, even if the door itself is made of the highest quality materials. In Palm Coast, where the weather can be unpredictable, especially during hurricane season, door installation must also account for the impact of wind, moisture, and salt air. A professional installation ensures that your door is properly fitted and sealed to keep out the elements and protect your home from intruders. Professional door installation offers several key benefits. Expertise. A trained technician has the skills to install your door securely and make adjustments to ensure it operates smoothly. Precision. Properly measuring door frames and ensuring a perfect fit prevents gaps that can be exploited by intruders. Compliance. Professionals follow local codes and regulations, ensuring that your door meets all necessary security standards. By hiring a professional installer, homeowners in Palm Coast can feel confident that their doors will provide the necessary protection. Enhanced security features through door installation. Many homeowners in Palm Coast may not realize the range of security features available during the door installation process. Beyond simply choosing a solid door, there are several enhancements that can further improve home security. Reinforced frames and strike plates. Strong door frames and reinforced strike plates are designed to prevent break-ins. These can help stop an intruder from kicking in a door or using tools to break the lock. High security locks. Upgrading your locks is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve home security. Deadbolt locks, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems provide added protection. Peepholes and smart doorbells. Modern technology allows for enhanced monitoring. Installing a peephole or a smart doorbell camera allows you to see who's at your door before answering, reducing the risk of surprise encounters. Hurricane-proof doors. Given the location of Palm Coast along Florida's coast, it's important to consider hurricane-resistant doors. These doors are designed to withstand extreme winds and provide protection during storms, while also improving overall security against intruders. Sliding door security. For homes with sliding glass doors, additional security features like security bars or shatterproof glass can help prevent break-ins through this vulnerable entry point. Door installation and home insurance. In Palm Coast, home insurance providers often consider the strength and security of your doors when determining premiums. A secure door installation can potentially lower your insurance costs. Homeowners who install reinforced doors or high-security locks are often seen as less of a risk, which can result in better rates. Additionally, some insurance companies may offer discounts for homes with hurricane-proof doors, which is a significant consideration in coastal areas like Palm Coast. Final thoughts. When it comes to protecting your family, property, and possessions, investing in proper door installation is a wise decision. In Palm Coast, where home security and protection from the elements are of particular concern, quality doors and professional installation can make a world of difference. From providing enhanced security against intruders to offering protection during hurricanes, a well-installed door is an essential investment in the safety of your home. If you're considering a door upgrade or installation, consult with a trusted local expert to ensure your home remains safe and secure for years to come. Your doors are not just a point of entry, they are the guardians of your home's security.